Imagine this. You're all set to dive into work or watch your favorite show on your trusty laptop, but as you push the power button, nothing happens. It just won't turn on. Frustrating, right? Don't worry. Omaha Computing Solutions has got your back with some handy tips to fix this common issue. First things first, check that the power cord is securely plugged into both the laptop and the power outlet. Sometimes, a loose connection can cause your laptop to appear dead. If it's all snug and secure but still no luck, try a different outlet just to rule out any problems with the power source. Next, take a close look at the battery. If your laptop has a removable battery, try taking it out, waiting for a minute, and then popping it back in. Sometimes, a simple reset like this can kickstart your laptop back to life. If your laptop has an internal battery that you can't remove, don't worry, we've got more tricks up our sleeves. Another thing to consider is the possibility of a drained battery. Plug your laptop in and let it charge for a while. A completely drained battery may need some time to regain enough power to turn the laptop on. Give it some time, and if you're lucky, your laptop might spring back to life. If none of these steps do the trick, don't panic just yet. It might be worth trying a power cycle. Simply hold down the power button for about 15 seconds to completely drain any residual power. Then wait a few moments before powering it back on. This quick reset can sometimes work wonders and revive your laptop from its slumber. If you've gone through all these steps and your laptop still refuses to cooperate, it might be time to seek professional help. Omaha Computing Solutions offers expert repair services for situations just like this. Sometimes the issue might be more complex, like a faulty hardware component or a software glitch that needs specialized attention. Remember, troubleshooting a laptop that won't turn on can be a process of elimination. By checking the power source, battery, and trying simple resets, you can often breathe life back into your seemingly lifeless laptop. And if all else fails, don't hesitate to reach out to the pros at Omaha Computing Solutions for that extra bit of technical magic to get you back up and running in no time.